Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we will learn how you can manage assets records with Google Forms and Slack. Let's assume that you manage the inventory of your office and now you want whenever a new form submission is done on Google Forms regarding the order, so you want to send a Slack message to your inventory team. So how we will be doing this integration? We will be performing this integration with the help of Pabbly Connect. So over there, Google Forms will be our trigger applications and our action application will be Slack. So to learn this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how you can manage assets records with Google Forms and Slack. Let's assume that you manage the inventory of your office and you have created a Google form to manage the request created by employees. Now you want whenever any employee fills that Google form, a channel message should be sent on Slack to your inventory team. So to perform this integration, let us sign into our Pabbly Connect account. So these are the applications provided by Pabbly. We will go to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now to reach our dashboard. So now we have arrived on a dashboard, and to create a new workflow, we will click on this Create Workflow button and we will give our workflow a suitable name. I have named it as Manage Assets Records with Google Forms and Slack, and now I will click on Create. So now you can see this is a blank workflow appearing on my screen. Trigger and action are the two most important principles of Pabbly Connect to perform any automation and integration. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So we need to select a trigger application and an action application to perform this integration. So when we go to our trigger window, we need to select our application, that will be Google Forms. So we will search for Google Forms. Here it is. Now after selecting the trigger application, we need to select the trigger event, which will be new response received. So now whenever a new response will be received, this trigger will start working. Now you can see there is a webhook URL and there is a procedure given how we can connect Google Forms with Pabbly Connect. So we will copy this webhook URL and now we will go to Google Forms, and over here I have already created a Google form by the name of order request, and there are some questions that you can see on the screen. So we will go to responses and now we will be linking it with Google Sheets. So we will click on link to Sheets and now we will click on create. So now over here you can see the questions that were asked in the form are visible to us in this Google Sheet. Now we need to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So over here we will go to extensions. If you don't have the Pabbly Connect webhook extension, so you can easily click on add-ons, and over here you can search for Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect webhooks is over here. We will click on this and now as I've already installed it, so it is showing installed. After that, we will again go to extensions and we will go to Pabbly Connect webhooks and we will click on initial setup. Now over here we will paste. So now we will paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So here it is. Now we will be selecting the trigger column as F, because this is the last column in our spreadsheet, and we will click on submit and the setup was configured successfully. After doing this, we will again go to Pabbly Connect webhooks and then we will be clicking on send on event. Once we have done this, we will go to our form and we will fill in the details. So what is the item you would like to order? That will be keyboard. Quantity will be 1. Name will be demo user. Entering the phone number. Now the mail ID, that is demo@pabblytudes.com. We will submit it. The form is submitted. Now we will go to the spreadsheet and we can see over here the timestamp, the item which was to be ordered, quantity, name, phone number, email, all the details are visible to us over here. And now we will go back to Pabbly Connect and see the response that was captured. So you can see the response is captured. You can see the name, the product that is to be ordered, the trigger column, timestamp, spreadsheet name, and some other details. So now we will be moving on to our action application, that will be Slack. So we will search for Slack. Here it is. Now we need to select our action event, that will be to send channel message. So now we will click on connect. So now we will be clicking on add new connection and we will click on connect with Slack. Now over here we need to write the token type. So you can enter the token type as either user or bot. So over here I want to enter it as a user. So I will click on save and now we need to give the access. It's a safe access, so we will click on allow and the authorization was successful as it is showing connected. So over here we will be selecting the channel where we want to send the message, and the channel is, I have selected my channel asset management, and after that I need to write the message. So the message goes as, hello team, this asset. So now over here we will map the information from the Google form. So over here we will be mentioning the asset name, and after that we will be mapping the name to which this product is being assigned. So our message is completed. Now you can see there are options like image URL, image alt text. So it depends completely on your need. If you want to share it along with an image, so you can go with these options. And now if we talk about bot name and bot icon, so this means that you can specify the bot name over here and you can select the bot icon as well. And when we talk about auto expand links, link username, reply broadcast, so depending on your use case, you can use all of these functions. So now you can see the message is framed, the channel is selected, and the connection was established. So now we will click on save and send test request. And over here you can see the label, channel, and now we will go to Slack and we will see whether the message was received or not. So you can see over here, hello team, this asset keyboard is assigned to demo user. So this message is shared in the channel where I wanted to. So this integration was successful.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.